Hi guys, Dr. Rajarathna here. So we are going to share one small video, okay, of one of my students, Dr. Bhavana. So I know Bhavana as a little girl, okay. So she attended my Delhi Rock session in 2019. That means it was pre-COVID. Yes, so she attended as a third year, and we used that colorful rocks workbook for the class, and she was very enthusiastic student. There were a bunch of students from AMC. Okay, so Bhavna was one, and so she was in touch all these years. Okay, so after every exam she would say, and even when she was an intern she used to say, ma'am, difficult to study and all that, so we kept continuing with the conversation over the years. And after the INI-CET, again she messaged me that she was so happy with her Ophthal performance. We were not looking for any ranks or anything, but then when she said, ma'am, it was one small book, which is, Dhamaka, Super Dhamaka, and I actually shared a screenshot of that after INI-CET. And then after NEET PG exam, then she messages me, ma'am, such a surprise, and even I didn't expect such a great rank. No, that's is very cute of her. She's got 250 all India rank, NEET PG 2022. So actually I asked her for a video, and she was very kind to give me one. And so after this, there's going to be her video that I'm going to share. She's so bubbly. I've seen her grow from a little girl to a beautiful woman that she is now, AIR 250. Okay, and she's also going to tell you how my classes did help her. Okay, so it's all in her own words. I've not edited anything. Whatever she has felt, she's just told it. But I felt really good because now, because those were my first individual classes, which these group of MAMC students had attended, a bunch of enthusiastic students had attended, and now I have my own app, EyeMentor app. So she's part of that as well. So it gives me great pleasure to introduce you to Dr. Bhavana, AAR 250. Okay, thank you, Bhavana, for doing this for me. Thank you, Vachai.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Bhavana from Maulana Azad Medical College. I had my internship this year which completed in 2022, and I gave NEET PG 2022 in which I secured a rank of 250. I am very happy with my rank and score, and I would really like to thank Dr. Rajarathna ma'am for her amazing ophthalmology notes and classes. I attended ma'am's class in third year, during my third year of MBBS, and it was a 3-day course in which ma'am completed the entire ophthalmology, and it is very difficult to complete ophthalmology in 3 days, but ma'am achieved that feat, and she never let us also feel tired during those 3 days. And her energy was so high that every day we would just feel energized. Even if we didn't have our own energy, ma'am would bring her energy to the class, and her notes were so amazing. She gave us a booklet during the class in the first day itself, and it had like half of the notes were written by ma'am, and half of them we had to fill in ourselves. Like ma'am would write the question, and the answering part we would have to write it. And it was a really cute little small notebook. It was very thin, so we had to make the notes also very small. So it really helped us to make the notes very concise, and in that way I had a very compact notebook to revise during my preparation. And I would really like to thank ma'am for her amazing class, in which I was really a fan of ma'am's retina class, in which she taught she showed us the photo, and she taught each retinal disease as a story. So we would remember each feature as a story, and I would really remember all the features in the sequence in which ma'am taught us in the story. So it was really helpful, and ma'am had a way of making us remember things. Like she called retinitis pigmentosa the black corpuscles, as she called it, as kala puchi, and it was really interesting. And ma'am told us that ma'am taught us retina in such an amazing way, and ma'am also told us that squint is a difficult topic, so she would be covering it in the first day itself when we had energy. But then when ma'am was teaching us squint, I thought that, is squint a difficult topic? I did not realize that, because ma'am taught it in such a way that I found it to be quite very self-explanatory, the way ma'am taught it. And it was very simple. As the years passed, and as my touch as I solved questions, I realized that it could be a difficult topic, but ma'am really made it very simple for us. And ma'am's notes were so ma'am's voice used to echo in my in my head for like at least a year, and I remembered the things that ma'am taught us for like 1 year, and beyond that I had to revise as everyone would have to do. But 1 year is a very amazing feat for ma'am to achieve. Like, we remember the things that ma'am taught us for 1 year is a very, I was very grateful for that. And ma'am taught us in such a I really felt that all the topics that ma'am taught us were very easy and self-explanatory. The way ma'am taught although they are not actually. Ophtha is a very difficult topic I had heard, and ma'am is very well known and famous in her field, which is why I really wanted to attend ma'am's ophthalmology class, and I wanted to make my Ophtha strong, which ma'am really helped me to do, and ma'am literally did it for me. And I really thanked ma'am even after AIMS exam, because even though my score was not good in AIMS, in this AIMS, but then I thanked ma'am because the ophthalmology questions I was able to solve. I saw the recall videos, and I realized that my ophthalmology questions I was able to solve them. So I thanked ma'am for that, and even in NEET I got an amazing score. So I'm really thankful for ma'am, and I would like to encourage everyone to to attend ma'am's class actually, because you might find you can find good sources, but ma'am is also a really amazing source. And I would like to wish everyone best of luck, and study very well, and ma'am will make your Ophtha very strong, and you will remember it forever. Thank you everyone, and all the best.